Orbiting the sun, the planets line up. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Who comes next in line? Far, far away, in a world of ice, the ice giant, Uranus! Far away from the shining sun, a mysterious face with a sapphire glow, dressed in an atmosphere with methane gas, shining softly. That's Uranus! A giant world filled with icy materials, cold and quiet, mysterious and blue. But deep inside there's hidden heat, holding secrets of our solar system. Water, ammonia, and methane too surround the rocky core deep inside. A little different from all the rest, lying on its side, rolling, rolling, tilted at 98 degrees, spinning on its axis, rolling, rolling. Deep beneath those freezing clouds, scientists think diamonds may rain. Everybody, get ready to the world of ice. We go! Uranus, rolling, rolling. Uranus, rolling, rolling. Beautiful planet with a sapphire glow. Rolling, 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 rolling. The stylish star
Of the solar system,
the ice giant, Uranus.
Uranus,
Uranus.
Uranus, rolling, rolling.
Rings wrap around the tilted planet, 13 known rings circle around, 27 known moons, so many friends, many named after
Shakespeare's characters,
temperatures can drop to -224, a freezing world beneath the clouds. Voyager 2 flew right past, revealing secrets of this distant planet. Methane absorbs some of the red light, leaving a beautiful blue-green glow. Over on Titania Ariel 2, Miranda dances on this icy stage, peaceful when seen from far away, but powerful winds race through the sky. William Herschel discovered this world at a new